Hello friends, this is Kalai Selvan. I am working as a sheet metal designer for past 5 years. So this is my profile. So today we are going to see day 1 of the Solidworks training session, that is the sketching. So let's enter into the topic. So I opened the Solidworks software. So the first one is a home button. This one is a new tab icon. So here part, assemble and drawing. The majorly we are going to focus. So I am going to click on the part. So 1 second. Actually it is opened. Okay, today we are going to see the basics of sketching techniques. So every 3D components, the base is the 2D sketches. The base is the 2D sketches. A closed profile only can achieve the 3D components. 3D profile only can achieve 2D closed component only can achieve 3D component. So I don't know, it's circling. Okay. So the software is on, switched on. So I am going to use the part, Solidworks part. Okay. So this one is a on the topmost. This one is a quick access toolbar. This one is the quick access toolbar. Below the quick access toolbar, there is the command manager. So this one is a command manager. This one is the command manager. Suppose every person get trouble while like this. So command manager, if we need to drag we can drag anywhere the command manager. So if you need like this also we can use. So otherwise I need in top, I need the command manager in top, so that's why I placed in top. Okay, so this one is a command manager. I am arranging the tools. So those are all tools, some important tools I needed every time. So this one is a design tree. This one is a design tree. This is the first one of the design tree is the feature manager. This one hold every feature. The feature means here there is so much of feature. That means 3D model creation. With the aid of this feature we can create 3D models. So this one is a feature manager design tree. The second one is a property manager design tree. The property manager hold every next level of the feature. Suppose I click on the extruded boss base, means the next level, how much we need to extrude, how much we need to fix the target, what plane I need to choose, the next level. That one shown by property manager. So that the third icon is a configuration manager. I will explain this configuration manager separately in little later. So the next one is the DEMA expert, which hold dimension for MBD purposes. Later on we will discuss MBD. This one is a display manager. Okay, display manager means appearance. Okay, this the top hanging tool, heads up tool. With the heads up tool we can be there is a lot of options: section views, isometric view, orientations, display styles, visibility, like this, appearance also available, everything available. So if in your system you have graphics property, graphics card means this is also available. The real view graphics, which shine little extra for the part. So all are we are going to see now. I am going to switch on my planes. Okay, I will switch on my planes. This one is a working coordinate system of the paper. Assume this one is a paper. So we are going to draw a 3D model in a 3D paper, 3D environment. Okay, this one is a origin point, which means 0, 0, 0. So I can easily hide the plane and easily unhide the plane through this icon, hide and show icon. Okay, now and unhide all the planes. So now I am going to select front plane. The shortcut for the front plane is Control 1. Okay, so if I need back side of the front plane, backside view means Control 2. So similarly, the right view means Control 3. Backside of the right plane view means Control 4. So Control 5 is top, obviously top line. Control 6 is a backside of the top line. Okay, so the isometric view, which means Control 7, which shows a default isometric view of the component. So we can use Control 7 to view the isometric view. We can also change the isometric view of the component. We will see in little later. Okay, Control 8 is normal view. Suppose we are draw the 2D sketch in front plane, means the normal plane of the normal plane is F8 means that means a front plane. If you choose top plane means the normal view is top plane. Okay, so now we are going to draw. Now we are going to see the sketching tools. Those are all the tools. This is all the topics we are majorly focus on, sketching topics. Okay, now I am going to sketch in front plane. There are so much of ways, so many ways available to choose the front plane. Okay, the first one is select the front plane and click sketch. See the symbol of the sketch, the star placing in the top left corner for my viewpoint. Okay, this see the sketch symbol of the sketch. Okay, this way I can choose the front plane to draw the sketch in front plane. Okay, the other way is select the sketch icon and select the plane in the window. Okay, so now we are going to draw the center line. So line, we are going to draw the line. Okay, the line needs 2 points, starting point and ending point. In this space I can draw anywhere starting point and ending point, which means this one is a line. So the color of the line is blue, dark blue, you are seeing. So this means it is not a fully defined sketch, it is a underdefined sketch only. Okay, so I can change the underdefined sketch into fully defined sketch by giving the dimension. Okay, so dimension is the one of the foremost constraint, top level constraint. Okay, so there are we need 4 constraints because the height and length and height of the line, and with respect to origin, length and height of the origin with respect to origin of the line. Okay, I choose this one as a 19 mm, this one is a 12 mm. Okay, and with the origin I choose professionally. Okay, now the line changed into black. Okay, this one is a fully defined, we can't move the sketch to anywhere. This is a position we are giving to the sketch. Okay, there are so much of way we need to give the we can give the constraint. For this sketch I gave 4 different constraints. I used only dimension constraint only. So now I am going to give a different way of approach. So 20 mm. I am going to give an angle constraint. So both are dimension constraint only. Just I am giving angle as a my constraint. Okay, I think you guys got my point. So now I'm going to hide all the remaining planes which are disturbing the showing the now it is clear to see the center point. Okay, this one is a origin point 0 comma 0 comma 0 for front plane 0 comma 0. So now I'm going to show you center line. Okay, this one is a center line. So while opening the drawing, you guys please use like this. So I am going to select the line and choose the click the right side of the mouse, select midpoint. So it will select the midpoint of the line. So I am going to click control and I am going to select the origin point. So I am going to give a relation called coincide relation. Okay, now the line fixed with the center the center point of the line fixed with the origin point. Okay, this is the center line for me. Okay, to draw the component. So this one is the center point. So this line does not have horizontal constraint. So I am going to click the line, click horizontal constraints. So you guys please see, those are all relation top of the corner. This is the top of the corner is a relation. This means this window name is breadcrumbs. Okay, this one is a relations, this one is a selection. Select the line, this one is construction geometry. If I remove means it is a fully defined line, not a construction line. Okay, this one is a block, this one is a zoom to. So we can replace the line with the arc like this. Okay, so now we are going to see a rectangle. So there are 5 ways to draw the rectangle. First one is 2 point. We only need 2 point to draw the rectangle. This one also 2 point, but the point is center point. This one is corner points. This one is one center point, one edge point. Okay, this one is 3 points. We need 3 points, 3 corners. Okay, this one is the same way, 2 corner with the center. One corner, one center, one origin center. Okay, this one is a parallelogram. All you guys know about a parallelogram. Okay, so now I draw the rectangle. So the same way I draw the rectangle using 2 corner. So and I gave the dimension as a 40 mm and 40 mm. Okay, now I need to fix. We need to give a place in this environment to that rectangle. Okay, I gave the space as 30 mm from the horizontal and 5 mm from the vertical. So like I gave negative dimension here. I gave negative x and negative y. Okay, so same way center point. So see the difference between the corner. I start like this for corner. Okay, for center means I need to select from here. Okay, center point, one edge point. The same way 3 point. I need this point to this point. I need to draw like this. Okay, depend upon the situation, we can use these 5 types of rectangle to anywhere. Okay, like this. So the parallelogram is like this. So So definitely we need to give an angle here like this. This line parallel with this line, the relation, parallel relation, see the parallel relation is like this. Suppose I deleted this parallel line, means like this it will go in, because this line parallel with this line. Okay, so now I deleted both parallel, that's why the component like this gone like this. Okay, so it's showing the necessity of a fully defined sketch. So if we didn't give fully defined, means our drawing will collapse. Okay, if sheet metal, means our punching, while giving the punching drawing, means the punching outline will collapse if we didn't use a fully defined sketch. Okay, so circle, we can use two different type of circle. So first one is center point and one edge point. So we can give the circle dias 10 mm. Okay, super. Same way we need two different dimensional constraints to define the circle with a fully defined sketch. Okay, so the second one is perimeter circle. Suppose we need to find the tangent for some big casting component. At the time this perimeter circle will use. Okay, depend upon the situation. So the next one is arc. Okay, there are three types of arc, so I am going to give 3-point arc. Okay, this one is my first point, this one is my second point, this one is my third point. Like this we can draw. We can reshape the point also. So now I going to give the dimension as 20 mm. So now it become a fully defined. Okay, center point arc. Okay, the next one is a center point arc. So I choose that end point as a center point. I am going to draw the arc like this. So you guys understand, please understand, this is one is a 3-point arc. We can draw arc anyway. Okay, the center point arc also I draw like a center point. Okay, in this situation I can't draw here center point arc because I don't know where to draw. I don't know the center point. Okay, that's why I draw here. Okay, depend upon the situation we can use center point arc, 3-point arc, tangent arc same way. Okay, so tangent arc is like this. Only 2 points we need to define the tangent arc. So like this we can draw. Okay, tangent arc, easy way, the connecting 2 points, which means arc, which will give arc. This 3-point, all other need. This one is 3-point we need, this one is 2-point we need, easily we can draw. This one is center point we need to achieve a correct arc, means we need center point arc. Okay. So our next topic is a polygon. So the polygon we need what type of, how many sides we need, means I need hexagon, means 6 numbers, for 5 means pentagon, like this. Like this inscribed circle, circumference circle. In engineering graphics we all see inscribed, what is inscribed circle, what is circumference circle. So I draw the polygon, means okay, this one is inscribed inside the circle. So I draw same way in outside, means circumference, means the circle placing in outside. Okay, like this we can define the polygon shape. Okay, our next topic is same way we can choose 5 to 8 anywhere. Okay, next one is a spline style spline. The spline which gives a path to travel the some block while assembly animation. If we need to do conveyor animation means at the time we need spline to travel the rectangular block from this way to this way. Okay, at the time we use in my anywhere like this we can use the spline. Suppose if we need to use a sweep, at the time spline command it will help as a path. Style snipe means not big like this. We can control the spline with lines. Okay, like this. We can control the spline with the help of lines, construction lines. So I change the shape with the aid of splines, with the aid of lines. Okay, all are easy. This one is a ellipse. You know, the all the solar system travels the pathway, elliptical path. Okay, like way. Similarly, all are under constraint. Okay, we need to give proper dimension to fully define the sketch. Okay, now I am going to show you the sketch, text sketch. So this is my line. In this line I need to place text steady. Okay, the sketch start with the end, left side end to start, it is going. So suppose I need a center, means the center point of the sketch, same way the start with the text. Okay, suppose I need this side, insert this side. So same way I can reverse that sketch, mirror like reverse, and also totally reverse the sketch 180 degree. So same way we can change the font, everything, sketch text, which is helpful for create a logo or a number plate, like for punching the numbers in sheet, means like this we can use. Okay, I think you got understand. So suppose this is the fully defined sketch. Suppose I need to see what are all the relations present in the sketch. So I am going to select the sketch and click display relation. So this line I selected, but I didn't get any relations because it is fully defined with the help of dimensions. Suppose I am going to choose this line and I am going to see the relations. What are all the relations? Oh, vertical relation for a vertical line, tangent for this circle, midpoint for the midpoint for this line, midpoint with the origin. Okay, coincide for this point, distance for some line, and also again distance for some line. Okay, like way we can see the what are all the relations we gave. Okay, all are under fully defined. Okay, this is only the purpose of cross check. What are all the relations? Suppose some relations may give error, over defined. Over defined means yellow color. If some sketch in over defined means it will show with yellow color. Okay, so at the time we can notice this one is over defined. At the time we can see means that relation in marked condition here. Okay, so now I am going to give offset. I am going to offset this circle. So I am going to give radius as 12 mm. I am going to offset. So I gave offset. Okay, suppose I need a offset in 5 mm means I can reverse. I can give 5 mm as a offset dimension. So suppose I need in reverse direction means there is option. We can reverse the uh, offset entities. Okay, at 3 mm. Okay, super. So now I am going to offset this rectangle. Offset this line. Offset means it offsetted 3 mm. We can reverse this line. So suppose we need this line in cap end means we can choose cap end in OR condition or in line condition. We can close this line as a box line with the box. Suppose we need this line in this place with the base as a construction. So we can simply click the base as a construction. Okay, super. Suppose we need this line as a reference. So we need an offset geometry as a construction line. Okay. Now you guys all got my point, I think. So the next one is a pattern. Before pattern we will see the mirror. So 5 mm I gave us a 6 mm. Okay. So I am going to mirror the sketch. I am going to choose this arc as a mirror entity. Mirror about means this center line. I am going to mirror. Okay, this one is my mirror component. Okay, super. Same way I am going to mirror this rectangle component. I am going to choose mirror entities. I am going to select. You guys know AutoCAD means you guys know select entity, window, cross window. Yeah, if this one is we need to touch any point means it select to hold the component. Any point if we touch means it select to hold sketch. But this window cross means it won't select that. It need fully close the component means it will select. Okay, now I am going to mirror the entity using mirror entity. Now I am going to choose the rectangle and I am going to choose the mirror line like this. Okay, I didn't fully define the rectangle, so it hanging like this. Suppose we can also mirror this rectangle with like this, with this line like this also we can mirror. Okay, so super. So now I am going to give the dimension to this component. Now I am going to use linear sketch pattern. So the x direction is here. The representation of coordinate system is here. X direction is here. So suppose I choose the entity of the pattern means the x direction like this it will going. Okay, the y direction is like this it will going. The x direction I need in 12 mm. Okay, the spacing, the dimension spacing, and how much I need means 5 to 6 entity. Okay, so suppose if you need in 10-degree angle means like this we can give. The y direction I need in 4 quantity. Like this it will define the, it automatically fill the component. Okay, suppose we need like this shape only means we can use instant to skip option. So in this option I delete all the unnecessary circles. So simply click means it like this it will come. So after that I need to give a dimension to fully define the pattern. Okay, suppose we need I need extra 4 means I can just simply click the instance 5 instance means I can change it to 8 instance. Same way I need to delete this also. After that I can give instant escape option. Okay, same way here also I need to give a dimension. So after that I need to define with the vertical relation. So here also I need 8 members means I can easily give 8 members. After that I need to give in construction or instant to skip or delete this holds. Okay, so circular pattern. So I need the line, vertical line. So I am going to give circular pattern. Okay, the entities I am going to choose this line. The origin, it automatically choose this origin. So I need to delete this origin and I need to choose this center point. Okay, so it automatically grab the locations of the points. So I am going to give 5 to 6 members, 5 members with the length and how much angle it equally described, equally separated. So I want then 300 means I can also easily handle this. Okay, here same way we can also use instance escape. Okay, after that I need to define this center point with this center point, then only it is a fully defined manner. Okay, now the distance is 12 mm. Super. So now we covered major sketch topics. So those are all the topics we need to cover: move, copy, rotate, scale, stretch. Okay, first move. We need to move this sketch. Select move, select the line from here to here. Okay, so it can't move, I don't know. 1 second. Select the line from XY point. So it can't it cannot place the move because it is in a fully defined manner. Suppose I can move this component. Move. Okay, it's moving because it is fully defined manner. That's why it didn't move. Okay, so those are all the things we need to consider before moving the component. So now I am going to copy the line from here to here. We can easily copy, but we can't move. Okay, but we need to, after copy means we need to do fully defined, full definition. So rotate. I am going to rotate the sketch with this line. The center point I am going to choose means this line, this point. 1 second, I am going to delete this. I am going to rotate this line, this point with respect to this point. The angle, see, this is moving. So this place it takes as a origin, and it start rotating, because it is fully defined in dimension, that's why it can't move. So please see once again. Rotate entity, the center point. I am going to move like this. Okay, super. Scale, similar to AutoCAD. If you use the AutoCAD, means similar like a AutoCAD. The scale command work. I am going to choose scale, the entity, scale about midpoint or end point or this end point. I am going to choose this end point. The scale factor is 2. So it scale with amount of twice the amount of what we have. Okay, the stretch. I am going to fix the component. I am going to use stretch command. Select the component here. The fix origin point is here, base definition like this. We need to stretch like this. Okay, I think you got my point, I think. Okay, we need to practice. You guys need to practice these commands. I will explain this command little later. I am going to use trim command. Okay, don't get confusion using all the trim. Use power trim. Whatever you don't need means just do like a power trim. Hit delete all the lines while touching. Okay, don't use the power trim to delete all the lines, everything. Don't confusion with all the trims we have. Like AutoCAD here, those guys give corner means with the corner. If we select this corner, after that they trim this end. If we select this line, if we don't need this line means we need to trim this by selecting this line. Like this, trim away inside means inside we won't need, outside line only available. So these are all totally confusing for beginners. So use power trim to trim everything, whatever we don't need. Okay, so I explained all the sketch commands. We will see little later convert entities, and so instant 2D repair sketch already we know. Fully defined sketch, we need to repair some of the end uncorrect manner means during the while using the feature means these commands will work. So rabbit sketch means any plane we can easily sketch speedily, fastly while using rabbit sketch command. Switch on condition. Instant 2D means just see. I just drawn the corner rectangle of 45 to 30 170. Okay, now I didn't draw with the instant 2D. Now I am going to make a change with 20 mm means I need to double click the line and I need to change. Okay, so if I switch on the instant 2D means simple, just one click, just simply we click means we can easily change to 40 to 50 like this. If we switch off the instant 2D means we need to double click the dimension line and we need to give the dimension. So we can also drag dynamically we can see the scale factor with the dimension. Okay, like animation. Okay, I think I cover the sketch topics. We need to practice at least 2-3 days to remember all those things. Okay, thank you, bye.